Alright guys, another way to make money online, and this one is interesting. So, you know how I have these ways of money to make money online is, you can sell things, do services on Fiverr, do services on like Elance, whatever. But doing services isn't that exciting. What you want to do is find people on those sites who do good services, right? Let's say they do some kind of awesome Photoshop work for $5 on Fiverr for $5. And then let's say you are able to get clients who pay you $50 to do the same Photoshop work, because $50, if the work is good, it might be worth it, right? Especially for a person who needs something and they don't want to think about it and they're happy paying, because if you think about it, $50 is not that much for some good Photoshop work either, right? So then, okay, this is called arbitrage, right? You take this order for $50, great. You go and get it done for $5 on Twitter, on Fiverr, perfect. You say, hey, look at this thing I made. Here you go. Okay, there, you just made a $45 difference, right? Okay, that's $45, but what if the service you sell is $1,000, right? I'll make you a website. Oh, okay. You get the website done for $100 or $200. Okay, you just made you made that difference, right? So the key is you being able to find clients who are going to pay not bottom prices, right? If you get that, if you get a steady stream like that, then you can arbitrage that with getting other people to make more, to make the stuff for you. So you really do no work. Your actual work is to find clients. That's really the only work you have. And you can make good money with it, because guess what? If you're able to get a good stream of these people, like through your own marketing, a good inbound stream, you get order, and the guys who do this for you, these services for you, they're ready. They'll crank out the stuff, right? So as long as you can get the volume of orders, you can make good money from this kind of model. So and this is very prevalent. This is pretty common on the web. So whenever you are getting this kind of a client, which is like able to pay for stuff, see about maybe how not you don't do the job, but outsource the job for very cheaply and save that time for yourself and spend that time on better things and just make money, right? Make money on the difference. So that's a really common way.